Hello folks, today I'm gonna show how you can rename hundreds of files at a time using the command prompt. And for that what you're gonna do, you'll have to do the run in the start menu, and then you'll have to do the type the cmd, then you'll change the directory to your destination directory, that is change directory to destination folder. And then for that you'll have to do first change the directory from C to you destination directory, suppose I, and then you give enter, and then you give cd, then a space, and then you put quotation mark, and then you put your copy your directory address, and then you enter, press enter, and then you can do it in Excel. The renaming thing you can quickly do it in Excel, and then you can in your one paste job you can do 200 renaming at a time. So let's go, and after going to the directory, the syntax would be rename. You can do capital or small letter rename, then in the quotation there will be the existing file name with directory, and then space, then quote, and then renamed file name only, not directory, excluding directory. So that's how you do it. That's the format, and now let's see how we can do it. So this is the folder. First what you do, you copy the folder's address as text, and you open it in Chrome, like here. You just paste it, and you just copy everything, Control A, Control C, and in an Excel file you just paste it. Paste a special, use it here, and match destination formatting, and these are the file names, and you don't need these these columns, you delete it. Not this, you delete it. You can keep this directory, it will be required. And in this folder you need to change, I need to change these days where I have used the 30th November. I have used 30th November date for over 200 files. So those files I need to rename, but these files are okay, these dates are okay. So I'll be deleting up to okay. We do one thing, we do the ascending order here. This line I don't need, delete, and the ascending thing, data ascend. Okay, now I can delete up to, I think, yeah, up to 23rd November, like this. So later files I need to I need to have 29th November instead of 30th November. For that what I do is I first equals to this and that quotation. No, the quotation has to be double quote, and insert that another quote. Alright, so now how does it look? There you can see, yeah, it's okay. The file name, and at the end there will be quotation Y. I'll show you Y. Copy, paste a special values, And so I have added a quote mark at the end of the file names. Now I will add the syntax REN space quote, the directory name, okay, the directory name, I just copy it there. REN, I should have a space there, so there should be here it should be equal this one. I am pressing F4, so the dollar mark will make it the same for all the columns, and I'll use an and this. So I'm getting the first format, copy, paste special values. Alright, so I've got the first part of our format, that means the ren existing file name with directory inside the quotation. The first part I got, and for the second part, and have I yeah, I've already pasted it. I don't need the top line, and this one, this, okay, for the second part what I do is this, no, first I add the first quote, and then I'll add the second quote. Control C, paste special values, and I can put insert another column, and I can put equals to this and the ending quote. So now you can see, if you make it bigger, then you can see it's so big that it is clumsy. Alright, so we just here we have made this syntax, the rename file name only excluding directory inside a quote. Both of the quotes I have used, and copy, paste special values. This one is delete, this one is cut, you put it here, insert cut cell, and now I'll concatenate it, and before it I'm changing the dates. Control F, the destination date should be 29 November. So replacement is done. Still one is extra, okay, no problem, I'll check. Equals to concatenate this, that means the existing, the first part, then I put a comma, and then I put an inverted comma and a space, and then I put the second part, comma, and second part there. Copy, paste special values. Alright, so first part done in C column, second part done in D column, and the final parts done in the E column. So E column, I just copy it, I open CMD, and before that you can see that in the folder all here are 30th November. Now we'll see what will happen later. First you change the directory, that is go to I directory, that is the directory where you want to change it, and then you copy the directory address as text, and you do CD, that means change directory, quote, not Control V won't work, you'll have to paste it and enter. There, you're in the directory. You just copy this format and you just paste it there. Paste it. The file names are being changed, hopefully according to our wish, and there all the file names have been changed. All the 208 file names have been changed to 29th November from 30th November. So folks, this is how you can do it. It's a lot easier than renaming each file, and I think no one should use the software as well. There are bulk renaming softwares as well, because you can do it so easily. You don't need to load up your PC with all those apps and softwares. Well, you can do it easily like this with the help of Excel and the command prompt. Hope to see you again, folks. Hasta la vista.